Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to craft a money bag from a dollar bill. This design is super simple, so anyone can give it a try. To begin, grab a dollar bill and fold it horizontally. Make sure to create a sharp crease and unfold it. Next, give it a clockwise turn. You'll notice the corner. Gently fold it towards the center. Crease it gently. Repeat the same step with the opposite corner. Perfect. Here's a pro tip. Use your fingernail to get a crisp crease. Turn it around and repeat the process on the other side. If you find this step tricky, feel free to slow down the video. Remember, practice makes perfect. Now, flip it over and fold up the corner, just like in the video. All right, let's mirror this action on the other side of the dollar bill. Now, give it a horizontal orientation and fold both edges toward the center. Flip it over and fold it towards the center again. Take your time with this step. I'll pause here for you to follow along. Now, you should see the shape of a heart forming. Let's refine it a bit. You can trim it here for a cleaner look. And there you have it, 2 hearts on either side. Now, focus on the heart tip. Give it a gentle fold, making sure to keep that heart shape intact. Flip it over and fold it towards the center. Your heart is looking beautiful now. That looks fantastic. There you go. It's really shaping up nicely. Okay, now fold the model in half. Find the center line and fold it up to meet the heart tip once more. Now, carefully open it up, and you'll see a reference mark. Gently crease along it. This mark will be your guide. Open it back up and fold it according to the mark. This will form the back of the bag. Now, take a look. You've got the basic structure of the bag. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Open it, fold it, create the corner, and fold it in. Fantastic! You've got yourself a bag. Now, for the handle, you'll need another dollar bill. Fold it in half horizontally. Making a sharp crease, unfold it and bring both edges to the center. Take your time with this step to get it right. All right, flip it over and fold it in half again. At the tip, fold the corner to form a triangular shape. It should resemble a rabbit ear. Follow the same steps again. Great job! Now you have the tip of the handle. Open it up, tuck it in, and give it a firm fold. Now, repeat these steps for the other side of the handle. Looking good. Open it up. And voila, you have yourself a handle. Now, let's connect the bag and the handle. Here's what you'll need. Grab a small piece of double-sided paper. Attach it to the designated area. Open the handle slightly and insert it. It should stick securely. Excellent, right. Now, do the same on the other side. This bag, crafted with love, could be a wonderful gift for your mom, a friend, or anyone dear to you. It only took us about 10 minutes to walk through this process. With a bit of practice, you'll have it down to under 6 minutes. You can also incorporate this design into crafting lessons or share it with children as a delightful gift. They'll adore it. So, take a look at the finished bag. Doesn't it look great? I'm really pleased with it. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or something's not clear in my instructions, feel free to leave a comment with the timestamp.